Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing what I got for Christmas. So if you've been following me for a bit, then you may know we actually celebrate Christmas Eve, so we unwrapped everything last night. I'm filming this very early Christmas morning and before our Christmas Day festivities begin, but I'm really excited to share everything with you. Share everything I got with you guys. If you saw my Christmas list video, everyone loved their presents, which is always honestly my favorite part. I am very happy for everything that I get to share with y'all, but I'm also just more happy that everyone loved what they got, because that's my favorite part of Christmas, is just getting people things that they've wanted and just seeing their reaction. So yeah, with that, let's go ahead and just jump right in. So I had a Christmas list of a few things that I wanted. I wanted something from the Coach Scooby-Doo line. I needed more perfumes. I wanted something for my new iPad. And then, as y'all know, I had a few things on my Christmas list. So I've shared sneak peeks because we opened a few presents early. So I guess I'll kind of start with those. So as y'all know, I recently purchased the Hermes agenda refills. So my dad actually ended up giving me just Christmas money to buy what I want, and so with that I bought a few things, one of them being the agenda refills and a notebook. And then I swapped the agenda cover for the notebook cover, but now I also have additional pages. So this is one of the presents, is the agenda refill from Hermes, and then a backup notebook as well. So that was, I think, the one that y'all seen on here. And then we actually opened up a present early on the day before Christmas Eve, and let me show y'all what it is. So if you saw my wish list video, my luxury wish list video, I mentioned that I found a nylon Lady Dior, and it's a vintage piece, and it has different handles than the ones that they have now, and I absolutely wanted to have it. It was a great price, especially compared to how much the large Lady Dior's cost. So this is a large nylon Lady Dior, and it's in great condition. This bag was made in '97, and so hardware still looks great. The interior looks amazing. I'll have follow-up videos on a few of these items. This one for sure, I'm waiting for the organizer to come in, but I did move into it a little early so I could use it yesterday. But you guys, I'm absolutely in love with this bag. Again, I'll have a follow-up video sharing what fits and how I'm going to use it, but this is such an incredible piece. I love the handles because they're just so much more functional than the Lady Dior handles, like of the newer pieces. I'm not a fan, and when I saw some of the nylon versions had these handles, it was like on the top of my wish list. And so when my dad gave me some Christmas money, I was like, okay, I'm gonna put, I grabbed a few things like the Hermes agenda, and then I'm trying to think what else. Another item you're about to see, and then I had to get this because it's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It fits so much. It's so lightweight, and I'm just excited to continue to use it and add this to my collection. So that was one that we opened early. And then let me share what my husband got, because this was one of the main things that I wanted. As I mentioned, I wanted an accessory for my iPad, and so I recently got an iPad mini, and I just bought a case on Amazon, but I really missed having a keyboard because I had the Apple keyboard case for my old iPad Pro, and so I really just wanted one of those. And so this was on my Amazon wish list, and he grabbed it for me. So it is a like folio, let's open it this way, and with the iPad minis and all the iPad cases, I like the ones where you can hold your pen. And so you have that, and what I love is that this keyboard is magnetic, so you can decide if you want to use it or not, and it'll just stick right there. But I now have a keyboard case, and so let's actually switch into that. Let me turn this off. So we have my Apple Pencil, and then here is the iPad mini. So we're just gonna put her in. And y'all, I've been using my iPad mini every day since I bought it. So this is gonna be an everyday essential. So that's the main reason why I think it was like on the top of my Amazon wish list. I'm really happy that my husband got it for me. So let's snap it in. There we go. And then the pen fits in the case. And that way when you close it, it's all secure. I don't like the ones where it's like hanging out. And then here is the keyboard. So of course it's a little short. It is chargeable and you connect it through Bluetooth. So that's the one thing I loved about the Apple keyboard, was that it through MagSafe like instantly connected to your iPad. But you guys, I love this. And then we'll just pop this here. And then you have your keyboard. So really excited to use this. And then it protects the camera as well, which is really nice, and the pencil. And then it's just like a black, I want to say like pebbled leather, faux pebbled leather. And it's nice and compact. It is a little bit heavier, of course, because of that keyboard, but I think it's worth it. So we have that. And then let me share what my in-laws got. So again, I needed new perfume, and so they ended up getting me both of the perfumes that I use from Chanel. So we have the Chanel No. 5 Low and then the Coco Mademoiselle. So really happy to restock these. This one's my absolute favorite, by the way. If y'all are interested in the No. 5, I like this one better than the Paris. So if you can ever find them, I highly recommend them. But yeah, we got the perfumes, and then I'm saving one in particular for last that I'm just so excited to share with you guys. Let's share something else that I unboxed on Instagram. So I actually bought this one for myself. So let's open her up. And it is the Saint Laurent Uptown Clutch. As y'all know, I added this, I had this on my wish list. So I want to use this for, primarily for travel, but for every day I'm going to be using it to store pencils and pens. And really wanted to add something that could be versatile. And so initially I was going to get a lighter color, but realized that if I'm taking this with travel and I'm using it for storage, especially for pens and pencils, I should probably get black. I always wear black, and so this would match with so many more outfits on the go. And then I would feel safer with, like, you know, keeping pens and pencils in here with the black color. I am going to get an organizer / conversion kit for it, but for now, look how cute it is, guys. I'm really excited just to add this, and I do plan on using it as a clutch. I don't plan on really using it as a crossbody. I think it kind of looks weird, to be honest, but I do want the conversion kit so that way I can add a holder to it, because I do want to have, like, be able to hold this as an actual clutch and make sure it's a little bit more secure. So we have the Uptown Clutch. And then I did get a few pops. I don't know where they went, but I'll share that on my LA Plans Collective account, both Instagram and TikTok. And then second to last is a little SLG from Saint Laurent. So as y'all know, I have my Chanel card holder, which is a little thicker, and that's why I use it as my wallet. And then I have a Gucci card holder, which is more slim, that I use in some of my smaller bags. Like, I would use that for the Uptown Clutch. And so that one is definitely more casual since it has that monogram on it. And I really wanted something that was more for going out in evening. And so I got another card holder that I think will fit that. And we have the Saint Laurent Black Croc card holder. I really love this. The moment I saw it, I knew I had to get it, because I've been debating getting just like the regular Saint Laurent card holder, maybe even like a black Empreinte card holder from Louis Vuitton, but y'all know I love Croc. This actually matches my newest bag, one of my newest bags, the phone holder. And so I had to get it, and then I just think I can use it with any bag and it'll just look really cute, especially since a lot of my smaller bags are Saint Laurent. I just think it's a nice little piece, and the Croc kind of like elevates that look. So yeah, it holds 4 card holders, and then there's a slot, or I'm sorry, it holds 4 cards, and then there's a slot up here. And yeah, I'm really excited to add this to my collection. And then we have my last gift, and this is something that I've had my eye on since it came out, and it was a recent launch, but it was really hard to track down because I missed it when it first was released. And luckily I found an amazing sales associate at Coach via TikTok, and he was able to get this ordered, and then I'm on the wait list for another piece. But we have the Coach Scooby-Doo. This is the Flight 19 bag, and you guys, I'm absolutely in love with it. Y'all know I'm like the biggest Scooby-Doo fan, and so I got this smaller one because I figured it was more casual and I would be able to like wear it more places, right? Like running errands. So you have Scooby on the front, and then the details on this bag are absolutely incredible. So you have a lock closure. The lining is in orange, like a goldish orange, I want to say. You have the silver hardware. You have the Scooby-Doo and Coach tag. And look at that detail. I love the blue zipper. I feel like it helps bring more color to the bag. You have Where Are You over here. This bag has a back pocket, and y'all saw the strap. Again, lock closure, which I really like, especially for going out. When you open it up, you get just a full bag. There is one back pocket back here, and the serial number. And this should be able to like hold a phone. And then here is, again, that strap. So together it'll show Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? And guys, it's just so cute. This is something that's more like a collector's piece for me, especially since I'm a Scooby-Doo collector. And I was really excited to be able to add this to my collection because oh my god, you guys, I love it so much. It's so cute. And I mean, if you would have told me like when I was a kid that there would be like a Scooby-Doo Coach purse, I probably would have just like fainted. But, and I almost did too now. But yeah, here's the strap. So that Scooby-Doo, again, that orange / goldish trim that matches. It's a thicker strap, so it's definitely more casual. And then silver accents. So yeah, that was everything that I got for Christmas. And that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions on anything, I'll have everything linked below that I can link. But I just want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to you guys. I hope y'all had an incredible Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, or just enjoying whatever holiday that you celebrate. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.